Hello there, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. One or two false starts, but nothing to worry about.
Well, you get these when you film videos.
Certainly do. What's in the sack, Jack?
Well, I was just thinking about this. There's me. I was just walking through the village of Northworthy, thinking about making up some story for a video, and I thought I'd carry my sack. And then while I was carrying my sack, and this sack is full of hoods, actually, not the general, and I thought to myself, wouldn't it not be great to do another unboxing video? And I got dreaming about unboxing something. So here we are today to do...
What a fascinating life this man
another
lives.
unboxing video.
Here, borrow mine.
No, I borrow mine, it's sharper.
Oh, sorry. I'll put my knife away then.
You should have said that in the style of Kenneth Williams.
No, stop messing about. More Frankie Howard. Oh no, yes.
Oh yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, what's in the sack?
Yeah, so I've already opened it before you're talking about it.
I know.
So, I was on eBay the other day and I saw something for sale. So I thought I'd buy it.
Ooh.
And there you go. And this is another item which cost £15.
Wow.
Yes, and it's a handmade item.
Wow, again.
Probably including some machine sewing to get it going.
Wow square.
Hey, that rhymed.
Yeah.
I'm a poet, I didn't know it. And so I thought we unbox it on camera for you guys. So there you go. I tell you, you can finish it off.
Every day's a holiday on this channel.
You don't really get many parcels in your life, do you?
You make me sound... No. It's a tea cloth.
Ah, yes, there you go. There we go, it's a tea cloth.
Yeah, mind the cat.
Oh, you know, that's a dog you hit there.
Oh, right.
Yes. We don't have a cat and a dog in the house. So, first of all, we got this.
Oh, napkins.
No, it's not a napkin, Egil. This here is a wimple.
Yes. Oh, no. Something's about. I must go for a wimple. You should have said that before we started the video.
Do you want to explain what a wimple is?
Headgear.
Not for men, for ladies.
It's for ladies because...
Or men in ladies' attire.
It's... You see nuns with the white...
Ah, yes.
That's a wimple. And it's brought about by the monks because they said women should not show their hair.
Indeed.
As it's sinful. Now, it wasn't just an act of male chauvinism. It's actually practical. You think women have got long hair. They are working over a fire. The hair goes down. Whoosh.
Sure, yeah.
So if you tie it back or cover it, it's safer. Same with the apron. And it's quite interesting if you look at modern dress Far East, Middle East, you know, Iran
Yes.
and places, they have the same arrangement because it's practical.
Yes, you can see that.
Yeah, you know, the hair's covered and it gives, so if you're leaning over a fire, if open range, they have an apron. Again, it's very similar to 12th century English. So yeah, bring on the wimple.
So this is like an Anglo Saxon wimple. Would it be acceptable for Viking ladies?
Headgear was sort of compulsory. The people who didn't have headwear were considered ladies of the night.
Oh, okay, yes.
That's another reason it took up so well.
Of course, if anybody ever wanted to make one, I'm more than happy to give you some sizes. Because I can now, I've got one.
I suppose.
This is not for me and Egil, this is in case we ever get a lady on the channel who wants to actually work with us.
We'll have to bring the chloroform and club out and find one in the streets, I don't know.
So here's a club. We'll go looking for one later, shall we?
Do you want to be a storyteller? No!
And then the next item, there were two items for £15, I thought was very reasonable. And I want to have a look at this next.
Okay.
I believe it's more for the ladies, but...
I know, it's the undershirt, isn't it?
The undershirt. Underskirt, though.
Yeah.
But then again, for the money,
yeah,
it's very nicely made, I think.
my ex used to have one of those, it looks really good.
I mean, as a man, you might be able to get away with that.
I don't know, you might get your bottom pinched.
Well, luckily I'm only working with you.
Good grief, another fiver we could have had. Kenneth Williams. Anyway, they'd have a tabard over that. But this is a very practical thing. Again, it's like a longer version of this.
Yes.
It's an undershirt or underskirt. Sometimes they have a little bit lower and tied up so that you could feed the baby. If you're a woman, obviously.
You'd have a job as a man.
Yeah, well...
Well, unless you've got a bowl of porridge.
Or unless, of course, you're into that kind of thing. I think
I think the neckline's quite nice on that.
Yeah.
It's very groovy.
It's all nicely done. It's nicely pressed.
Now, this is in case we ever get a lady storyteller.
When we get
one.
Yeah. If there are any ladies out there who feel they could tell a story, hey, why don't we hold an audition?
We could do. We could do it every Wednesday down at Standing Order.
So, no, but seriously,
no, we do need to think about
that. We talk about it.
It's got to be somebody local, in my mind.
Yeah.
Although we do let. Sorry, I'm over talking. We do allow guests.
Yeah,
like Tangy.
We don't need prima donnas. You know, oh darling, no, we can do it.
I think Madonna would cost too much.
But you know what I mean. This is a family channel. It's for everyday people. I hope we're not pretentious.
Well, I don't think we all even mean. I don't know.
But it's just an idea I floated. I suppose we'll have to find somewhere to do that.
Well, we pretty much got underdress for a lady, and we have a dress in the cupboard.
Got some jewellery as well.
We've got some jewellery for ladies to wear. So we are preparing for that to happen on the channel because, one of the problems with being we're having two male hosts, I think we get a far higher proportion of men watching. And although recently we've had more women watching the channel in the last 3 months, that's really, really good. It's still on about 95% to 5%.
I don't know the demographics of it.
Yeah, that's it. That's 95% men to 5% women are watching the content on average. So,
come on, ladies.
So, but I think YouTube is a lot. It's mainly male dominated anyway to a degree. But we do need to represent the ladies more. But also now that we have some objects we can talk about as well in videos. Yeah. So there you go. So that's another unboxing video, and that was unboxing a under Kirtle and a Wimple. And of course, Wimples are often held together with pins, aren't they?
Yeah.
Wimple pins.
You do find them on archaeological sites, usually bronze.
And would they be round the head when you find them?
Well, we just lose. It's like bobby pins today. They fall out, and we find them in context. I've found some at Jorvik. It's obvious that it's just fallen out the headdress. Never found any bodies, apart from when you go around. We've been around lately.
Yes.
Underneath there are the graves, and the faces of the dummies are reconstructions of the actual bodies they found.
Oh, right.
If you're ever in York or have the chance to go to Jorvik, especially if you're abroad, go.
Definitely worth.
York is a lovely place. I'm prejudiced because I was a student there. But there's something for everybody. And you're right near Whitby.
Oh, yes.
Which is a lovely place.
Scarborough.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I love Yorkshire. But as I say, the best fish and chips, I think, are in Whitby. And York itself. Good Viking places.
You can't beat a bit of scampi at Whitby. I went sea fishing there once,
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it was on the day Michael Jackson died. And I was the only one on the boat, apart from the man driving it, the captain, who had sea legs. And it got me thinking that, because there's the ship going up and down, quite rough, and I had a rubbish fishing wheel, so I didn't really catch much. But it got me thinking that I must have sea legs. Because, everybody else was being sick as a dog, and there's me loving it. I took beer.
I remember when I was in the Irish Sea.
Yes.
We were filming, and the guy was supposed to be the star of it. And
what was you on in the sea? A boat?
I was in a longship.
There you go.
And as soon as this guy's feet touched it, he went, the colour of your tunic, I'm not joking. I won't tell you what he was saying, but it was just, and I was rowing away, minding my own business, thinking, I thought I'd be seasick. It's a 4.5 foot swell. And then the bloke next to me suddenly starts feeding the fish. Whoa! And I thought, yeah, I'd got sea legs. And I was the one who thought I was going to be seasick.
Yeah, I thought I'd be seasick, but no, I find to be perfect on the sea. Bring it on. So, I think that's the end of that video.
Yeah.
Do you have any comments?
Please leave us a comment or a subscribe.
Oh yes, do you have any suggestions of things we could buy which are relatively cheap and we could unbox for you? Because, Perhaps we should buy some books and box some books, I don't know.
Well, I mean, for you people who want to do, or just getting started reenacting, getting kit together is a bit of a problem. I don't know if
well, we have made a video on that, but I think in the future we'll make another video as a guide to buying kit as a new Viking. I think we'll do that in the future.
Well, it's especially hard, I think, for women because, yeah, you can get swords, you can get helmets. But
of course so.
It's women wanting to look authentic. Unless you're a nun, it's very difficult to
and
get.
Of course, you know, women wore fine jewellery and that cost money if you want it to be in silver or gold with garnets.
Queen Athelflaed.
Yes.
She's our local heroine. She's my heroine anyway.
Oh, yes.
So, leave us a comment and want to share the video on Reddit.
Oh, yes. Facebook, wherever.
Yep. And I think that covers all bases. Leave us a comment. We will get back to you. And that's about it, really.
It is for now. Goodbye.
Bye.